What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com, home of the #1 crypto classes. Today, another exciting video, a jaw-dropping Bitcoin chart that you need to be watching right now. If you're new here, join the movement, hit that subscribe button right now, and everybody hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you. It's great to see you. This is a bonus edition. There's so much fear and greed and drama in the markets. I needed to come on and provide calm with one powerful chart that's really going to blow your mind and will really put everything into perspective. Before we get into it, we need to get into the most important thing. We are having our biggest sale ever on our classes. This is your last chance to get these classes at this low of a price. You have been wanting to sign up to these classes. You know you need to stop gambling with your money, stop guessing with your money, and stop stressing out. Oh, should I buy now? Should I sell? What should I do? Looking at your phone. It's time to put your foot down and make a change. Make the best investment you've ever made into these classes and change the fortune of your direction in crypto and stocks and bonds and everything. Today is the day you put your foot down and sign up. Here's how to sign up. You're going to sign up to this diamond combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. You're going to sign up to this gold combo if you've been in crypto around 1 year. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. This is by far our top seller. Highly recommend it. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Your last chance to get these classes at this low of a price. You will regret it. Okay, let's get into this video, guys. It has been pandemonium. There's a lot of drama. I hate to see people so stressed out. I needed to come on and do a bonus video for you guys and to provide some calm, provide some relief without my opinions, without the news, just data and evidence inside the charts. So I'm going to show you this chart. It's very powerful, yet very simple. It's going to tell a complete story, but I do have one big concern. And in this video, we're going to talk about the concern and we're going to talk about the golden cross. So 3 things in this video. We're going to start with a jaw-dropping chart. Watch how powerful this is. So everybody is concerned, Steve, what's going on with this move? Have we stopped following the 2014-2015 bear market? Is it now over? Are we now in some new trend? So in our previous video, we talked about some very big signals coming into the market. I mean, legendary signals. We talked about how the momentum was a big shift. I mean, the MACD had a cross up for the first time in over 400 days. We had a stochastic cross up on the monthly, first time in over 400 days. And then we had those monthly candles and the weekly candles. We haven't seen these things in hundreds and hundreds of days. It was a momentum shift. And then we talked about how the volatility was very low. Every time in the history of Bitcoin, when you have low volatility, then volatility picks up. It's very simple. It's a market cycle. So what this chart is a weekly chart. We've got our 3 moving averages. Very simple, very, very calm, right? But let me show you what's happening. For many videos, we talked about this cross, the 50-week crossing the 100-week. It was a big move, and I told my students about it 2 months before we launched it here on YouTube. This was big in the fact that, hey, it's another signal that identifies that we've already bottomed. And watch this. If we zoom into the past move, 2014, 2015, we had a cross, then our 50 came down as rejection, and then we had our double bottom, right? We talked about this in our video. There's one concern is the speed. But look, simply put, we had a cross, rejection, bottom. Cross, rejection, bottom. That's it. Really simple. Now, present day, we had a cross, we're coming into our rejection, and we're going to be bottoming, okay? Really simply put, we're still following this trend of 2014 to 2015, but one concern of mine is the speed, the time. Let me explain. What you see here is the structure from 2014 to 2015 is really identical to the structure of present day market. Meaning, when we had our first bottoming back here, we formed what's called our base, and we held that base for 280 days, and then we had a 3-day death cross, right? We talked about in our videos, and we called out that 3-day death cross. Monumental move. Present day, we had our bottoming, forming our base. 280 days later, we had our death cross and we broke. So structurally, we're pretty close to on par. Around 280, around 280. This is where things get interesting. Look at our blue line here, which represents our 100-week moving average. From this point to our true bottom was about 1 month, okay? So after we broke our 100-week, it was about 1 month later till we formed our true bottom. Present day, from the break of the 100-week to the bottom, about a month. Very similar. And this is where things get a little bit different. We essentially hit the fast forward button on this recent move. Let me explain. Now we're going to measure it from our bottom to our rejection from the 50-week. From our bottom to the rejection of the 50-week, we're talking about 182 days. Present day, I believe it's 112. Where we are right now, the candle that we're in right now is 112. So we hit the fast forward button on this previous move. That's the one thing I'm going to be watching closely. Now, what that means is we essentially this entire time, structurally, we've been on point. This recent move moved 2 months earlier. We talked about in previous videos to watch this 50-week come down as rejection, but we weren't anticipating it being right now. It should have been in a few months from now, but that's okay. Structurally, we're still on point, and we need to watch the timing. The timing could be a blessing in disguise. It simply means the golden cross is going to come sooner than we thought, and prices towards the end of the year will go a little higher. We just fast forwarded through some very boring times, which is around these moves here, right? So everything is really good. Simply put, we're watching the green line. It's highly unlikely we have a candle close above that. Highly, 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 highly unlikely. So those of you that think Bitcoin is going to go to 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 in the next few weeks or month, it's highly unlikely. So we can be calm. We'll stay level-headed. We'll stay emotionless. Now we see the big picture. I told you it was very impressive. And now you can see, okay, I just need to watch this chart right here. And I'm going to show you two other charts that are very important. One of them identifies the golden cross. So in the short term, watch this 50-week moving average. It's highly unlikely we get above that. And then this next move is very important for us to understand. Essentially, just the structure of this next move took a few months for us to get back above the 50-week moving average. Took 3 months back then when we actually had our true double bottom. Now, let's dig into another chart, because in our previous video, we talked about how this momentum shifted. It was a very big monumental move in crypto. And obviously you saw what followed. It was the stars aligned, essentially causing this fast forward button. It wasn't by mistake. It was the stars aligned, meaning that MACD cross on the way up, the stochastic cross on the way up. These things haven't happened in over 400 days. Another thing that was monumental is coming back to our 20-week moving average. Now, this is a very pivotal moving average in crypto for the history, for the almost 8.5-year history. Okay, we talked about it, how it's extreme resistance, extreme support. But remember, we hit that fast forward button. We broke through this, and we talked about if we have a candle close above, I don't mean a wick, I'm not talking about a wick, a candle close above, we said it was a power move, and watch that move. So we did. Present day, we had a candle finally close above here, and we had a power move. We know it's a power move simply because we looked left. What happened last time this happened is a power move. We can zoom in here, and we see that when we finally broke above and confirmed as support with a candle. We went on a run. Let's do a just quick measured move here. We went on a run of 30%. So we had our finally break above, candle confirmed above, power move, 30%. And then you can see what followed. A dramatic fall, and we held resistance from this 20-week moving average. So that's what we expect in the coming months. Not the coming days, but the coming months. So you can see power move. We had a candle close above here for the first time. Last time we went up about 30%. This time we went up about 32%. So very, 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 very similar. So simply put, this is what we're expecting. We're expecting a rejection from the 50-week. It should put us back below this 20-week, and then we'll hang out there for a bit. Everybody's going to have plenty of opportunities to do whatever you want, buy or sell. It's not the end of the world. Nothing in crypto goes straight up. Nothing in crypto goes straight down. And just remember, folks, emotion is a money killer. It will kill your money. So just stay calm during these periods. Let everybody else be all emotional. Let them be emotional. I want you to be calm, cool, collective, and always see this big picture. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you can stay ahead of the other humans and stay emotionless and see this big picture. Now let's get into the golden cross. All right. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's two things that need to happen for us to have officially a bull market started. Two things. That's it. We've talked about it on several videos. Number one, a close above the 20-week moving average. We have a check mark there, but we must have both to confirm officially the bull market has started. We have one check mark clearly right here. The second one is the golden cross. We don't have that yet, but we're getting very close. We're getting very close. Golden cross, what is that? Meaning the 50-day, now we're on the daily chart, 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day. This is the only way to have a golden cross. There's a lot of false information out there with what a golden cross is. The only way, textbook, to have a golden cross is the 50-day crossing above the 200-day. And you can see we're starting to have some curvature in our 50-day. What that means is we're getting pretty close. So we have one check mark to confirm a bull. We don't have the second one. So I want you to watch this chart as well so you can see how this thing is playing out. Now, let's get to everybody's biggest question. Should I buy now? Should I sell? What should I do? I've been panicking. I don't know if I should wait or buy more. Should I buy more now, Steve, or wait? Should I wait for the downfall? Should I buy? What should I do? There's so much drama and emotion, and everyone's guessing and just plain gambling. This is a terrible, terrible. If you have these questions in your mind, should I buy? Should I wait? Should I buy more? Should I sell? That means you don't have a strategy. That means you do not have a strategy and you are purely gambling. You can't gamble. Don't gamble. That's your real hard-earned money. You worked hard for that money. Why the hell would you gamble with your money and just guess? That's terrible. And a lot of people, look, my YouTube videos provide you superior education to provide you calm, and we look at the big picture. My classes teach you how to make money. If you want to make money, you take my classes. Don't guess, don't gamble. I've never once in any YouTube video said, this is where I am selling. Here's my setup structure. Here's my stop losses. Here's my position size. Here's my trading structure. Here's why I didn't take the trade 2 days ago. No, never in any video have I given you my strategy. Never. So don't guess. Don't gamble. This is terrible. And I hate to see people getting caught with their pants down, losing their hard-earned money. That's not monopoly money. That's your real money. Don't mess with your real money. I want you guys to take it seriously. You need to take advantage of what is going on, guys. We have our biggest sale we have ever had. This will be your best investment you've ever made in your life, hands down. No question about it. No question about it. Stop gambling. Get yourself a strategy so that you have calm. You always know what to do. always know what to do. I have a step-by-step strategy. It doesn't matter if you're 10 years old or 110, you'll be able to follow this simple step-by-step strategy. And again, you will change your life. I could give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. I can teach a man to fish, he'll eat for the rest of his life. My students will be making money the rest of their life, and you will too. Here's how to sign up. You're going to sign up to this diamond combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. You're going to sign up to the golden combo if you've been in crypto 1 year. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. This is your last chance to get these classes at this low of a price. Put your foot down and get yourself a strategy. Okay, a couple things before we wind up. Again, this was a bonus video for you guys. I saw so much stress and anxiety. I hope this provided you some big picture, some clarity, and some calm, so you can see what's going to be taking place and what we're looking for over the next couple months. Make sure you subscribe. I want you, if you're watching on a phone, put your phone vertical right now. Scroll down a little bit. If you see a red button right here, boom, hit that red button. If you're on a computer, scroll down right now, hit that red button. Make sure the bell is on so you get these videos hot off the press so you can stay calm and ahead of the other humans. Now, there's 2 other ways to be more involved. Number 1, go to the website, cryptocareeruniversity.com. Put in your email here, boom, hit subscribe. That's it. Simple. The second thing you do, come over here to the Twitterverse, type in Crypto Crew U. Hit that follow button or subscribe or whatever Twitter calls it. That's what you need to do. Those are the 2 things you need to do. All right. So, a big announcement. Big announcement. I like data. I don't like opinions. I don't like anything but raw, cold, hard facts, removing emotion. And I looked at all the data for YouTube. We're going to change the day of the week that we do the videos purely based on the data. So I looked at all the charts yesterday, loud and clear. It says Wednesday around 4 p.m. Eastern time is the best day of the week, best time of the week to do a video. So we're going to no longer do our videos on Monday. The data is screaming, Steve, Monday is a terrible idea. Do it on Wednesday at around 4 p.m. So obviously I'm going to try my very best to do 4 p.m., but I have a newborn baby and I'm running a big company. So maybe it'll be 5 one day, maybe it'll be a little bit 4:30. But again, I'm going to try my absolute best to make sure that we're sticking to our schedule around 4 p.m. Eastern time, New York City time, every Wednesday. So mark your calendars. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Let me know what you thought about the structure of the chart, and let me know that now you're calm, you're peaceful, and no more anxiety, no more stress. I hate to see that, and that's when people lose a lot of money. Again, emotion is a money killer. When you have that high level of emotion, you're going to make some terrible decisions. You're gambling, you're just guessing, really. And that's when you know you need a strategy. So really, you have to take this seriously. This is your hard-earned money. It's not monopoly money. So take this seriously. It's an opportunity in front of you right here. And last but not least, the April Fool's joke. I really can't believe that there was that big of an impact with the April Fool's joke. I thought I was terrible. Inside, I'm dying, saying that these charts that show this powerful momentum to the upside, that I'm saying that we're going to the downside. I was absolutely shocked that it worked. I thought I was absolutely terrible, and I'm kind of happy that it provided a laugh and provided like a break in the day from this stressful market that is crypto. So I'm glad you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this shorter version of our video, straight to the facts, a little bonus video for you guys. I will see you on Wednesday around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace and love to the crypto crew. We look forward to welcoming you in. Last chance to get the classes at this low of a price. Make your best investment you have ever made in your life. We look forward to welcoming you in. Peace and love to the crypto crew.